Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Art and Craft. Today we are making this cute lovely flower. So it is actually my brother's idea. He is very supportive with me doing artworks and he always encourages me, and I actually have two brothers. They all are very supportive and help me in all of my projects, such as in this project. This project I have done in a month ago with quilling strips, and they helped me a lot to put this cycle, and I get a lot of idea from them. So thank you both of them, and without any further ado, let's proceed to the procedure of making flower. So let's get started. So material we are using are only pipe cleaners and lot of creativity. So first take your base color of flower. I like this lilac purple. So take two of them like this, and then take a green color which is very basic and yellow color. These two colors, green and yellow, very helpful for making the flower projects, because green used for leaves and stuff and yellow used as pollen and stuff. So okay, so first take your purple and then measure it about the length of 9 centimeter. For me 9 centimeter make a perfect quill about this much length, and then cut them all like so. This I have already cut them. I use 6 of the same details. One make 3 9 centimeter pieces. You can see it is perfect 9 centimeter. You can use bigger measurements or smaller measurements than the 9 centimeter. So first we are going to just arrange our strips like this, and then place this smaller yellow stick in the center about 11 centimeter. It is about 11 centimeter. Then gather up all your like this and tie them. Arrange your pipe cleaner in such way that yellow stick comes in center and all of other goes in the directions. Okay, then take your smaller green pipe cleaner and then just wrap it all the way through to hide the seams like this. Then make a flower, arrange them like this. Then you have the shape that looks something like this, not even close to flower, but start to quill the petals like this in the circular way, and do this all the way through. When you quill all your petals, it should look something like this. Then all this left to do is to just arrange them like this. We have arranged of our petals. Now yellow stick, also coil it all the way through until it reaches to the end and goes in center. There we have it. And then make a leaf like this, then leave the gap. Then take your other pipe cleaner, wrap it around like so, and make some leaves. Now arrange a flower in the flower pot or any pot you like. I choose this ceramic pot. Now decorate your rooms with it, and any glass shelf, any table. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Allah Hafiz.